Mexico is a high-flying country, and in its race to join the globalized world, it has sought to diversify its industrial activity. One of the consequences of this goal is the expansion in recent years of the aerospace sector, one of the fastest expanding in the country, and in its incorporation of the aeronautics sector into its economic development. The business environment in Mexico is very attractive for projects with high added value, those in the aeronautics sector being an example. Therefore, the federal government is working alongside state governments to ensure the development of the aerospace industry and is creating support programs with academic organizations to teach new skills to the specialists that the industry needs. Thanks to its proximity to the world's main markets in both economic and geographical terms, Mexico has great business potential, enhanced by the free trade agreement it has signed with 44 countries that have opened new horizons on the international market. With 186 companies established in 15 states, half the states of Mexico, the aerospace industry is currently experiencing an upsurge. The industry employs over 20,000 highly trained workers, a number that is expected to increase rapidly thanks to the vision of universities and technical colleges that now provide courses in this area. Mexican exports of parts, components and services for the aerospace industry amounted to nearly $2.6 billion in 2007. The Mexican aerospace sector currently has increased its presence in manufacturing, with 147 companies established, plus another 25 that provide maintenance and repair services, MRO, and 14 engineering and design companies. The Mexican technicians employed by these companies have demonstrated their skills with the manufacture of products such as turbines, fuselage, components and undercarriages, harnesses, cables, audio and video systems, insulation panels, and others. These companies also service turbines and repair struts, and have made great leaps forward in the design of components for civil and military use, and in software development. Some of the companies involved in the development of the Mexican aerospace industry include Bombardier, Labinal, Honeywell, Goodrich Aerostructures, General Electric, Hydra Technologies, Doncasters, MD Helicopter, Frisa, Jeter, Tyco, and many others, strategically located around the country. Mexico provides a number of investment opportunities through the development of local suppliers, migration of foreign workers to Mexico, and the opening of new businesses. Baja California is the state that is home to most aerospace companies, 50 in all, that are mainly manufacturers. Examples of recent success cases in Baja California include the new Goodrich Aerostructures factory that will manufacture and assemble new technology components of the nacelle system for the Boeing 787 and eventually for the Airbus A350 XWB. This is the first stage of an investment program amounting to around $300 million. In the north, in the state of Chihuahua, there are companies such as Textron, Hawker Beechcraft, Safran Group, and Zodiac. Honeywell is currently building its turbine components, employing 300 engineers and 100 specialist technicians. Jalisco is seeking to consolidate its aerospace industry that has outstanding talent in engineering and design. This has enabled Hydra Technologies to develop the first crewless aircraft, the design and technology of which is 100% Mexican. There are 23 aerospace companies in Nuevo León. Current objective in this state is to promote new clusters in which this industry has a priority role. The State University has also introduced a specialist course in this area. Querétaro has an international airport, on the perimeter of which is the Querétaro Aerospace Park, where there is a cluster with room for more than 30 companies. Querétaro is also home to Mexico's Aerospace College. Bombardier Aerospace set up its business here, manufacturing fuselages and harnesses, and last year it started manufacturing tails and stabilizers. There are currently 31 companies established in Sonora, including ESCO, Goodrich, Chem Research, and Aerostar Aerospace, who mainly manufacture in one of Mexico's highest aerospace manufacturing regions. Just as important are the other 9 states that have major aeronautics companies, each of which in its own particular field makes a major contribution to the sector's dynamic growth. Mexico now faces the challenge of consolidating its skills, mastering the manufacture of parts and components, creating more complex structures and achieving the complete assembly of an aircraft within the next 5 years. We have the talent and the means to provide the labor that the industry needs. And Mexico's universities and colleges are committed to provide highly trained technicians and engineers. We are on the way to reach the heights at which the industry can be a major success. Aerospace in Mexico is now a reality.